Proud of what? Surviving another day without self-awareness?
Man, I can't with you, bird.
You drive like decision-making scares you. Come on, man.
Like you're allergic to commitment. Featherweight driver.
You're ruthless, you know that?
Buckle up, slowpoke.
All right. Take the wheel next time, tough guy.
You talk like a leader, but your decisions look crowdsourced.
Oh, wow. You got me there.
That badge is doing more work than you today.
Oh,
Hey now.
all right, you win. You got me. I'll buy you a cracker later, deal?
Deal. Ask again slower. Thinking clearly isn't your strong setting.
You both look busy, but nothing productive survived the meeting.
Oh, wow! Oh, my God!
Savage bird.
Oh, man.
I'm crying.
Yeah, you win, Feather Critic.
That ego could power the building if it ever learned to work.
Oh man, all right.
Evidence is impressive. Seamus allergic to results.
Oh man, you did not just say that. Savage little guy.
You look like you rehearsed authority but skipped competence.
Oh! No way! Oh, my. Oh, that's brutal.
You don't look stressed. You look underqualified and aware.
Oh, my God. Okay.
This case has more holes than your logic. Ha! Savage.
I've seen better coordination from pigeons fighting over fries.
No way.
Whoa!
That is savage.
Look at him like nothing happened.
You stare like thoughts are buffering. Don't worry, intelligence isn't mandatory here.
Oh, my.
Oh, no, you did not! You stare like authority lives here. But even respect put in a transfer request.
Oh, my. No way.
The block says law enforcement, but your decisions say trial version.
Oh man.
Enforce rules like a suggestion box. Loud, ignored, and decorative.
Oh, man.
Okay.
I've seen chairs with more authority than both of you combined.
No way!
Oh, man.
He's out here roasting us!
Officer Miller, arrest me
Huh?
for falling in love with you, lady.
Oh, my. Are you serious?
Arrest me.
You're trouble, you know that?
You're handsome. Want to be my boyfriend?
What?
Never mind. You're expired. Oh, come on. You've got to be kidding me.
Right, slower. Maybe your brain will catch up.
What?
Ah!
Oh, man. You serious?
Am I right?
All right.
That That confidence rent not owed, and the lease overdue.
Oh.
Your confidence is loud, but your results are on mute.
Oh, no way. Oh, you got me. That's cold, man.
You look exhausted, not from work, just from avoiding improvement.
Ha! Wow. That's brutal. Thanks for the pep talk, partner.
I'm glad to say, like hope lives inside.
Spoiler, it moved out.
Oh, man!
So what do you think of my vibe today, huh? Be gentle.
Your energy's on airplane mode, permanently. Do me a favor and switch it to flightless so I can concentrate.
Wow. Okay, savage.
Well, let's know what you want. Those muscles are on trial for impersonating commitment.
Oh, really?
All right.
Be honest. What do you think?
Look. It screams experimental regret. Bold, loud, and legally questionable.
Oh. Oh my god.
Did you hear what he said about the new charge nurse?
Yeah, but keep it low. He's right around the corner.
Stop whispering on your practicing mystery. Your secrets sound like sad podcasts.
Oh,
Laughing uncontrollably.
that's ruthless.
Your Honor, may I offer a rebuttal?
Well,
What's your alibi then?
your alibi? It's a clearance sale of excuses. All flimsy. Buy one, get none.
All right, point to the bird.
How many followers?
Enough to make your ex panic and your aunt request a cameo? Applause for accidental influence? Think they're the main event?
Cute.
Bring sunflower seeds and an actual personality, or I'm filing you under adorable losses.
Stop it.
Take your time. Artists clearly gave up on you years ago.
Little menace. Ha! All right, you win.
You drink coffee like it owes you motivation, but even caffeine filed a restraining order.
Oh, really?
Ah!
Oh, man. That's brutal. Okay.
Relax. If thinking was illegal, you'd already be sentenced.
Oh, man.
All right, that comes with a $50 fine.
Pay the fine? First enroll in timing repair. Your jokes keep arriving like delayed trains.
Okay, fair enough.
Who ate the snacks?
We fled your kitchen to avoid emotional trauma. My condolences to your recipes.
Oh my gosh. Here, Savage, have a safe one.
That poster says alpha, but your walk says loading. Please wait.
Oh my. No way. Oh my gosh. You're brutal.
You know, I try to tell you things and you never listen. I swear, it's like talking to the wall.
Oh, he listens all right, but you listen like your Wi-Fi, weak signal, and occasional buffering. Upgrade, sir.
Oh my gosh, did you hear? Wow, rude.
Savage!
Okay, that's actually kind of funny.
You both share one brain cell and still argue over custody.
Oh, man. No way.
That's brutal.
Who taught you that?